Hi guys, today we'll solve an Olympiad question for the value of x. 4 is to power x plus 4 is to power x plus 4 is to power x plus 4 is to power x equals to 1024. So let's start. From here we will take 4 is to power x common. So we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 1024. So in the next step it will become 4 is to power x 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4 equals to 1024, and then it will become 4 is to power x into 4, or we can write 4 is to power 1 equals to 1024. Now here we can use a raised to power m into a raised to power n equals to a raised to power m plus n. So we'll use this formula, and then it will become 4 is to power x into 4 is to power 1 become 4 is to power x plus 1 equals to 1024. Or we can write 4 as 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 into x plus 1 equals to 1024. Here we will use a raised to power m raised to power n equals to a raised to power m into n. Okay, so this will become 2 raised to power 2 into x plus 1 equals to 1024. So it will, 1024 we can write 1024 as 2 raised to power 10. So it will become 2 raised to power 2 x plus 1 equals to 2 raised to power 10. Now if bases are equal, then the exponentials are also equal. So from here we will get 2 into x plus 1 equals to 10. Now by dividing both sides by 2, we will get 2 into x plus 1 over 2 equals to 10 by 2. So this will become x plus 1 equals to 5, and from here we will get x equals to 4, which will be our answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.